So guys, this is how you are going to open your own. Okay, I'm going to take you through on how to register and also how to fill the form, right? So I'll click on open. We have already downloaded the app. I'm going to click on open. So I'll click on accept, and then this is what you need to do. You input your email address, phone number, your own phone number, and then the referral code. Please take note that without putting the referral code, you're not getting any money. Sure you understand? So let me fill this up. So I've already filled this up, so I'm going to click on next. Then this is where we are going to verify either with your BVN or your NIN, right? So I'll click on NIN, and then you enter your PIN here and click on next. Then once you input your NIN, you're going to capture your face and make sure you're in a very light environment. Don't be in a dark environment and be taking the picture, okay? So I'm done with my face verification and this is next. I'll click on okay, great. So now before you log in, you have to fill in the student community form, right? So this is the link to the student community form which you need to fill. So please take note that without the referral code, you will not be able to get the 500 naira. Okay, so this is what you need to do. You put in your email address, the email address you used to register previously, then you put in your password. Then for the school, you just put in any random school, okay? Then for the department, any random department, right? But if you're a student, you can choose the school or department you are in. And as for the level, just choosing any level, okay? Then for the matric number, if you're not a student, you can just put in any random number starting from 2. You can put in 22 or 21 or 26 or 28, but just make sure that it is up to 10 numbers, okay? So let me do this. 2468, okay? 24. Okay, this is up to 10. Then for the referral code, you put in the referral code, right? And that is it. So you click on join community. So for these future aspirations, you can just put in any encouraging words or something. You click on join community. Okay, I've already joined the student community or whatever. So now I'm going to log in. I'm going to log into the site. So I have successfully logged into the site. Okay, I'll click on turn on, by the way. Then you can update your account or you can do whatever you want, okay? So some of you might be asking the purpose of this account or what this account is all about. This account is just like Opay, Kuda and the rest of them. It's just an internet online banking, right? So you can buy airtime, save money, whatever you want to do on this site. So as of now, my account is 00. My balance is 00, but give it time. Within 2 hours for them to validate your account, within 2 hours 500 naira is going to pop up on your account, okay? And then if you want to receive more, like, you have to self refer, like refer yourself again and again, or you can refer your friends, because each friend you refer on this platform gives you 500 naira after 2 hours. or you can refer yourself, you can get extra income on this. So please take note that if you are referring your friends or you are self-referring yourself and you didn't use a referral code, you will not be getting that 500 naira. The person you refer will not be getting the 500 naira if he or she did not use your referral code. So please take note of that, okay? If you want to refer yourself, just click on the profile, you click on my earnings and referrals, you copy your referral code. This is your referral, this is my referral code right here. You copy it and you paste it on the referral code section, okay? So this is practically it, and once you receive your 500 naira, you can use it to buy airtime or send it to your opay or any of your accounts or any account of your choice, okay? And you can also repeat this process, okay? All right, happy cash out, guys.